just going through it. Alright, back with another video. This Alpha Male Strategies. I don't know if y'all watch Alpha Male Strategies, but you know, bro, his videos are good, so you should watch them. And everything. I don't like my videos super long, so I kind of get straight to the point. But it would be nice if I had longer videos. But the main purpose is though, I want to make sure I film. I have video every week, so be consistent on that. But this video is on how to comb your 180 waves. You know, just have a comb on you, and you just look. I don't know if you can see. Just work on any weak areas in your hair, and that's gonna help you and everything to get rid of those forks, the stubborn forks that no one likes. You know what I'm saying? So you just really have a comb session. You're gonna have a, you know, combine a comb session with a brush session. I recommend using, if you're a coarse hair waver or medium texture hair waver, I recommend you use a hard brush and a comb. That's gonna help out the most. But if you are a straight hair waver, I recommend a soft brush because it matters depending on your hair type, your texture. So keep that in mind. But just make sure you, if you're coarse and medium, use a hard brush and a comb. So the only thing I do is just kind of just look at your pattern. You're gonna have a mirror. You just want to comb through. Yeah, comb through like that. Another thing, you don't need any products. You don't need any like crazy products or anything. You just kind of gotta comb, man. Once you comb, so yeah. Pretty much what we're doing. Another tip I can probably give you, I feel like will help you out. Let's see. I would recommend doing a comb session after like a wash day. So when you wash your hair, you know, do a comb and everything like that. And it's gonna lift your hair up. Whenever you comb, it's gonna literally lift up like your individual hairs so you can get, you know, to the scalp, so it's gonna lift. I recommend it like after a wash day, like when you wash your hair. And then you know, after you do a comb session, you just pretty much just rag up. So just put on the rag right after, and you're pretty much done. So it's not really too difficult. You just gotta stay consistent with your combing, you know. So my hair, I'm not wolfing my hair, but my hair is a little bit longer. I haven't got it cut. So I get a haircut like every 2 weeks. So my hair is a little bit longer and everything. But you know, just to keep up with it, just comb. Comb is gonna help out with your connections, and it's gonna give you better waves. So if you're trying to be elite, just comb. Make sure you stay up to date on the combing, and you'll be on your way. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.